5 ways to get yourself to eat more veggies. Most doctors and health professionals will agree, there are no foods that are healthier than vegetables. Trouble is, most people find that eating vegetables on a daily basis is challenging. Think back to when you were a child, slapping the broccoli out of your parents' hands. You weren't into veggies in the first place. Getting into it now, when no one is forcing you to eat it, can be even harder. Truth is, vegetables are essential to your health. Let's break down some of the best ways to motivate yourself to eat more veggies. Juice your veggies. Juicing machines have become very popular in the past couple years for good reason. Many people don't like to spend the time to cook and eat their veggies. Why not juice them in a snap, drink a glass, and get 3 to 5 servings in a couple gulps? Juicing your veggies with fruit will help to make the drink taste sweeter and still enable you to get much of the essential nutrients needed for healthy cell maintenance and growth. Keep in mind that juicing your vegetables limits the amount of fiber that you get from them. You'll need to get your fiber from grain-rich foods when you use the juicer. Understand they're essential. Unless you're willing to supplement with a multivitamin each day, veggies are essential to your diet. Not only do they provide the bulk of your fiber, but they also contain critical nutrients like vitamins and minerals to balance hormones, enable growth, and strengthen hair, skin, nails, and much more. Skipping your veggies means skipping a great source of low-calorie fuel to help your body maintain growth and performance. They reduce onset of disease. Many diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes have a treatment option of increasing your intake of fruit and vegetables. They're no substitute for medical advice, but eating your veggies could be one of the best preventable measures you can take to ensure you are always getting the best spectrum of nutrients for optimal health. Endless variety. Don't like broccoli? No worries, there's an endless variety of vegetables. From Asia to North America, vegetables are plentiful at any local supermarket. You can enjoy a different set of vegetables each day, so you'll never get bored with the same ones. They're inexpensive. On a tight budget? No problem. Vegetables are likely the cheapest addition to your grocery list. It's no wonder many people go vegetarian for this reason. Research shows that you can save around $1,000 a year on groceries by swapping meat products for more veggies. We're not saying take meat out of your diet, this is your choice. But if you're on a budget, vegetables are a very inexpensive and an economically sustainable way to get your calories and nutrients. At the end of the day, eating veggies comes down to a personal choice and your own motivation. If you consider all the health and cost benefits, surely, you'll choose to take some time to get your daily dose of kale in. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.